Hi everyone, my name is Maria, and I will share or show you rather one of my unforgettable adventures as I visit the most famous tourist destination here in Leyte. There's actually a lot of beautiful places in both Samar and Leyte, and one of the most beautiful places that I fell in love with is Palumpon. Palumpon is a second-class municipality in the province of Leyte. According to the history of the place, the previous name of this town was Hinablayan, which is a Visayan word for hand. A long time ago, enemies who tried to attack or invade their territory were killed and bodies were hanged from trees. It was later called Paongpong, which meant cluster, referring to the cluster of plants in the area. This is evolved into how the town is called now, Palumpon. The trip to Palumpon Municipality in Leyte Province was definitely a surprise. The adventure was brief but unforgettable. Some attractions they do have are Buena Vista Underwater Caves, the Basaba Falls, Paraiso, and of course, my personal favorite spot, Kalangaman Island or Island. Activities in Kalangaman Island include snorkeling, scuba diving, kayaking, and camping.
ACC Travelers go to Palawan! Woo!
Moving forward, using all my breath. Making love to you was never second best. I saw the world thrashing all around your face, never really knowing it was always a mesh and lace. I'll stop the world and melt with you. You've seen the difference and it's getting better all the time. There's nothing you and I won't do. I'll stop the world and melt with you. You should know that. Dream of better lives, the kind which never hate. You should see why. Dropped in a state of imaginary gray. You should know that I made a pilgrimage to save this human race. You should see why. Never comprehending the race was long gone by. I'll stop the world and melt with you. Let's stop the world. I've seen some changes and it's getting better all the time. There's nothing you and I won't do. Let's stop the world. I'll stop the world and melt with you. The future's open wide. Future's open wide. I'll stop the world and melt with you. Let's stop the world. You've seen the difference and it's getting better all the time. There's nothing you and I won't do. Let's stop the world. I'll stop the world and melt with you. Let's stop the world. I'll stop the world and melt with you. Let's stop the world. You see some changes and it's getting
Historical Church of Saint Francis Xavier caught our eyes. The church is situated at the town proper and was constructed in 1784, but was renovated after some time. Only remains of the church can still be seen in the present church edifice. The church houses the image of Saint Francis Xavier, also known as Franciscong Gamay, which is 1.5 foot high. My eyes are now full of beautiful tourist destination of the province. The only problem that I have right now is my stomach is hungry. So I asked some of the people of Palumpon what is the best food or delicacy they do have. And I found out it's Salvaro of Palumpon. Salvaro is the native delicacy where you can find in Palumpon Lake. Fantastic, delicious, and nutritious coconut bread, highly recommended for breakfast and merienda. Yum! For the festivity of Palumpon, they do have what they call lawig. Lawig is a Cebuano term that means to sail on. It has been the driving force behind the strong character of Palumponganons who are known to sail through the daily life to succeed. It is the inspiration behind the Lawig Festival held every December 2 of the year, in time of their feast in honor of Saint Francis Xavier or Senor San Ico, who was known to travel via sea to different islands of the East to spread Christianity and convert pagans into believers. Palumpon is one of the coastal towns in Leyte with history strongly tied to sailing and sea life. For the festival, they usually held search for the Lawig Festival Queen and street dancing competition.
Pare, di na mag-start yan. Buti pa, kain na lang tayo. Gusto mo ng tahong?
So there you have it, folks. My adventures in Palumpon Leyte, and I hope you had fun as much as we did. See you in our next trip. Bye!
Bluebirds fly, and the dream that you did to, oh why can't well, I see trees of green and red roses too. I watch them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself,